Good morning, girls. Children, we are continuing the exercise 7.2, and we are studying chapter triangles. And in the previous video, that is in the last week, we have completed till question number 3. Now, this whole exercise, children, is based on congruence, properties of the triangles. And if you have learned the properties and the congruence, then it'll be easy for you to understand. Now, beginning with question number 4, it is triangle ABC given, right? In which the altitudes BE and CF, two sides AC and AB, are equal. You have to show that the triangle AB is congruent to triangle ACF, and you have to then write AB is equal to AC, that is, the triangle is isosceles. So I have already drawn the figure here. ABC is a triangle in which B, this is E, and CF are what? They are the altitudes. Now these altitudes are equal. You have to prove that the two triangles are congruent. Now we write given triangle ABC, BE and CF are what? Altitudes, and BE is equal to CF given. You know what an altitude is? An altitude is always perpendicular to the side on which it is being dropped. So therefore, BE is equal to CF, which is given, and these are perpendiculars, and which we have shown it by the right angle. Now in triangle, which one? ABE. What we have to prove? We have to prove that the triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. So the proof begins with in triangle ABE and triangle ACF. First point, ABE and ACF. Now whatever is given, we are going to write that. Whatever we have to prove, that also we have to write. So systematically you have to solve your question. First part, equal parts are BE is equal to what? CF, which is given. Then in the second part, angle, if I look at this triangle ABE, angle AEB is equal to C. Okay, I'll write AEB is equal to angle AFC. Check. AEB is equal to AFC. As what? These are altitudes. Altitudes are perpendiculars. So therefore this is given. And the third point is angle A is equal to angle A. This angle. This is a common angle for both the triangles. Right? Now the two triangles are congruent by. Now there are two angles and one side. But this side is not included between the two angles. Therefore the congruence will not be ASA. It will be AES. So I will write here. Therefore triangle ABE is congruent to triangle what? ACF by AAS congruence. And you know that after the triangles which are proved to be congruent, all the corresponding parts are equal. Hence the second part will be, therefore AB is equal to AC, CPCT, or we can write therefore triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so this completes your proof. The two triangles ABE and ACF, prove them to be congruent by AAS. First write what is given, then you write what is to be proved, and then start with the proof. So this is how you should write your sum, means your solution. Okay, so this is question number 4. Now coming to question number 5. See the figure. ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangle on the same base. This is the same base, that is BC. You have to show that angle ABD is congruent, not congruent, is equal to angle ACD. Means these two angles are equal, right? So let's start with what is given. Given. I've drawn the figure, we write what is given. Triangle ABC is isosceles. You know, in an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. So suppose these two sides are equal. Yes. And in the, now when I look at the two triangles, if this is a isosceles triangle, this angle 1 I name it as 1, will be equal to angle 2, right? So therefore I will write here angle 1 is equal to angle 2. And why? Because AB is equal to AC. So therefore this reason is the angles opposite two what? Equal sides are equal, right? So first you're going to write which triangle you're talking about, then write which sides are equal, and then write angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay, then in triangle BDC, okay, in triangle BDC, right, this side is equal to this side, BD is equal to DC. Now when these two sides are equal, I will take this angle as 3, this angle as 4. So therefore angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. Yes, and what is the reason? Same. Angles opposite two equal sides in an isosceles triangle are always equal. So this is first equation, this is second equation. Now I will add these two equations. When I add these two equations, adding the above equations, 1 will be added to 3 and 2 will be added to 4. Now check the figure. When I add 1 and 3, it will be angle ABD. Yes, when I add 2 and 4, it will be angle ACD. So therefore I will write angle 1 plus angle 3 will be angle ABD from the diagram, and this will be angle ACD. So when you check your question, you will get back to the same thing, that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. Why? Because when I prove these two triangles, when I write the properties of these two triangles, that these are isosceles, the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. When we add the two, we will get angle ABD will be equal to angle ACD. So again, if you can check 1 and 3, 2 and 4, if I add 1 and 3, it will be ABD. When I add 2 and 4, I will get ACD. Yes, so this is what we had to prove. In the end, we are going to write hence proved. Now, when you start solving a question, children, you have to analyze the question properly and then start solving. Don't just randomly start writing anything. Check out what is to be proved, means what is given, and then start with your question. Now coming to question 6, as you can see the diagram here, I'll draw the figure first by the time we read also. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Yes. These two sides are equal. I've marked. Now BA is produced to D. BA is produced to D, right? Now BA is produced to D such that AD, wait, I'm going to draw it again. Sixth. Such that, check the figure. Firstly, ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now, I produce this, and this is joined to what? C. This is joined to C, right? Now it is joined, this point will be D, right? This is C. It is, the triangle is, the side is produced in such a way that this side AD, let me mark with the blue pen this one, AD will be equal to AB. So now you can understand that these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal, and the figure is, this is a straight line. When you draw the figure, children, please be careful, and I'm sorry for all this overwriting. Now we have to prove that angle C is a right angle. Angle C is a right angle. So let us first write what is given. It's given that obviously ABC is isosceles triangle, so AB will be equal to AC, and in this, when we produce it to D, AD is equal to AB. AD is equal to AB. Now, when you look at this, AB is equal to AC and AD is equal to AB, therefore AD will be equal to AC. Okay, so by 1 and 2, I hope you are understanding that AD will be equal to AC, because, check once more, these two sides are equal, this is equal to this is equal to AD, therefore AD will be equal to AC. Right? Now, what do we have to prove? That angle C is a right angle. This is to prove angle C is a right angle. Right angle means a 90-degree angle. Okay. Beginning with the proof, let's check the same theory we're going to apply which we have done in the previous one. If I take triangle ABC, if these two sides are equal, let me mark this as angle 1, this as angle 2, this angle also I will mark, and this also I will mark. Okay, that I will mark later on. We first go step by step, that in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC, therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Right? 1 is equal to 2, and what is the reason? Angles opposite to equal sides in a isosceles triangle are equal. Learn these properties. Now, coming to the next triangle, triangle ADC. Triangle ADC. Now let me mark this 3 and 4. Okay. So angle 3, yes, angle 3 will be equal to 4, or we can write 4 is equal to 3. Right? So I will write here, in triangle ADC, which two sides are equal? AD is equal to AC, right? Therefore, angle, which one? 4. Let me write, is equal to angle 3. Now you know that when we talk about opposite angles, to AD opposite angle is 3 and to AC opposite angle is 4. So remember that if I am writing AC is equal to AD, then I will write 4 is equal to 3, and if I change the order, I will write 3 is equal to 4. So over here I have written AC is equal to AD. So I will change and write, I will write AC is equal to AD, and therefore because I have written 4 is equal to 3, so this is the correct order. Reason is same, angles opposite to equal sides in an isosceles triangle is equal. Right? Now, these are two equations which I have got again, so I'm going to add these two, adding the above equations. Right? Now, angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Okay, so you have to add the two, left hand sides will be added and right hand sides will be added. This will help us to solve the next part of the question. Now, when I look at this whole triangle BCD, now in triangle BCD, angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 2 plus 3. Yes, because angle C is 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree. Right? Now check here. Angle 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree. Which property is this? Angle sum property of triangle. Sum of the three angles in a triangle is always 180. Now 1 plus 4. If I want to substitute for 1 plus 4, I can write 2 plus 3. So I will write here angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree. Right? Now I will add, when I add 2 and 3, I will add twice angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree. Now according to the diagram, what is 2 plus 3? 2 plus 3 is angle C. So I will write twice angle C is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle C will be 180 by 2 and hence it will be 90 degree. Therefore angle C is equal to 90 degree. Hence proved. Okay, because they are saying to prove what? That BCD is a right angle. BCD is a right angle means this. BCD is a right angle. Therefore, we can write angle C is a 90-degree angle. This is a 90-degree angle, and hence we can write angle BCD is what? Is a right angle. Okay, so this completes your question number which one? Question number 6. So we have completed 4th, 5th and now 6th. Question number 7. Question number 7. ABC is a right angled triangle. ABC is a right angled triangle in which angle A is 90 degree. AB is equal to AC. Find angle B and angle C. So first I will draw a figure, 7th one. This is A, okay, because A is 90 degree. This is A, this is B and this is C. Which two sides are equal? AB is equal to AC, right? Now this is a very simple question. Now when these two sides are equal, these angles will be equal. Okay, by which property? We write AB is equal to AC, and therefore we are going to write angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Therefore I name it as, I don't name it as, I can directly write angle C is equal to angle B. Okay, now you know that in the triangle the three angles sum up to how much? 180 degree. What do we have to prove? Find angle B and C. We have to find angle B and C, right? Okay, so angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree because of the angle sum property. Angle A is 90, B plus C both are same, so I can write angle B plus angle B. If you want, you can suppose it to be X and then solve, and 180 degree. Twice angle B equals to 90 degree because 180 minus 90 will give you, and angle B will be 90 by 2, that is 45 degree. So if angle B is 45, angle C will also be 45 degree. So this is the answer for question number which one? Question number 7, right? Now 8th, very simple. 8th question is, show that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree each. You know what is an equilateral triangle? All the three sides are equal. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Now we will apply the isosceles triangle property, and then we are going to find out each angle is equal to how much? 60 degree. How will we do that? Let's begin with this one. AB is equal to AC. If AB is equal to AC, therefore angle B will be equal to angle C. When AB is equal to AC, angle C will be equal to angle B. I told you to write in the correct order. When AB is equal to AC, C will be equal to B. Okay, number 1. When I take AC is equal to BC, AC is equal to BC. Again, AC is equal to BC. Which angle? Angle B. Check once again. When AC is equal to BC, angle B will be equal to angle A. Angle B will be equal to angle A. And the property which we are applying over here is angles opposite to equal sides are equal in an isosceles triangle. Okay. Just now we are considering that the two sides are equal. So we are talking about isosceles triangle property. Now, same we'll apply the third one. When AB is equal to BC, then what will happen? When AB is equal to BC, then what will happen? Angle C, 1 minute, AB. Angle A will be equal to angle C. Angle A will be equal to angle C. When we look at the three conditions, C is equal to B, B is equal to A is equal to C, we come to know that angle A, therefore, by 1, 2 and 3, A will be equal to B is equal to C. Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, let us take it as all to be x. Okay, so therefore x plus x will be how much? 180. 3x is equal to 180, x is equal to 60 degree. So this completes your, and x is what? Angle A, angle B and angle C. Each angle is equal to 60 degree. Since it is this is an equilateral triangle, each angle of the equilateral triangle is always equal to how much? 60 degree. Hence proved. So children, this completes your exercise. Which one? 7.2. You will go through the questions, complete all your work, and tomorrow we'll continue with the next topic. If we have some examples, I'll just check out over here and then let you know what are the proofs of these questions. Okay, so complete your questions from this and have a nice day. Thank you.